Are you ready for an exclusive primer on how ChatGPT, the rage around the world, works? Immerse yourself in this informative video to access the many uses of ChatGPT that you may not be aware of as yet. Showcase the limitless potential of ChatGPT with this PPT deck. Moreover, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. Acquaint your audience with the potential applications of ChatGPT, including text generation, sentiment analysis, information retrieval, and more. The academicians learn how to incorporate this tool into the education system as a writing and research assistant. Access this PPT deck to deliver the key applications of ChatGPT in medicine. From diagnosis to medical education and research, it's all possible. Demonstrate the most popular ChatGPT application in creating and writing research papers. Research becomes easier with API access and custom training that this tool provides. ChatGPT generates skeleton codes and understands them. Dive deep into ChatGPT's capabilities. Download the complete PowerPoint presentation now. Next up, we have the IT sector, no surprise, and marketing. Automation and lead conversion can boost your revenue to levels you never even dreamed about. Showcase how you can have a better shopping experience and a safe and secure transaction while purchasing your product with ChatGPT. Building on helping in fraud detection in the banking sector, this tool can help prevent cybercrimes, and while it fights crime, it can also keep you entertained. It can make travel easier and safer and lower the burden on the legal system. Amazing, isn't it? For more such templates, visit www.slideteam.net.